New to the world of guns? Don't panic, we have some great suggestions to get you started right. If you are a beginner or are looking to train a beginner on the use of handguns, we've put together a list of handguns that are perfect for beginners, and we'll show you in detail why we believe they're the best. Every single one of these guns is a great pick for starters. Before we get into it, do like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Glock 19 Gen 5. In the first place, we have the Glock 19 Gen 5. It stands out as an ideal choice for beginners entering the world of firearms. With a reliable and proven design, this pistol offers easy use thanks to its intuitive controls and accessible handling. Its minimal recoil makes it easy for new shooters to adapt, while its versatile size and sufficient magazine capacity make it suitable for practice and training. Additionally, its simplicity and maintenance contributes to a hassle-free experience for those taking their first steps into the shooting world. The Glock 19 Gen 5 excels as an option that combines reliability, ease of use, and performance, making it a valuable companion for those looking to learn and improve their skills as novice shooters. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is a compact semi-automatic pistol that's gained worldwide recognition for its reliability and versatility. Chambered in 9mm, it has a standard capacity of 15 rounds. With a 4-inch barrel and striker firing system, the Gen 5 delivers precise performance. It incorporates safety features such as the trigger safety and integral safeties, and features an ergonomic design with textured grip and ambidextrous capability. The introduction of the slotless slide system enhances durability and recoil management. Number 2. Walther PDP. The Walther PDP stands out as an outstanding choice for novice shooters due to its innovative design and advanced technology. With intuitive controls, a controlled recoil system, and precise performance, this pistol offers a shooting experience that's easy to handle and focused on learning. Its appealing aesthetics and customization options allow beginners to tailor the pistol to their individual preferences, while essential safety features and the possibility of accessories provide a secure and adaptable environment. For those taking their first steps into the world of firearms, the Walther PDP effectively combines ease of use, accuracy, and customizable options, making it a valuable companion for those looking to learn and improve as novice shooters. The Walther PDP is a high-performance pistol designed to provide shooters with an exceptional experience. Available in calibers such as 9mm, this pistol stands out for its mag capacity, integral safety, and customization options. With a barrel of around 4 inches and a striker-fired system, it delivers precision in shooting. Its safety features, including a firing pin and trigger safety, ensure a secure handling experience. Additionally, the PDP allows customization with interchangeable grips and adjustable sight options, providing versatility to shooters. With a lightweight design and accessory options, the Walther PDP presents itself as an attractive and adaptable choice for those looking to embark in the world of firearms. Number 3. Smith & Wesson MP 2.0. The Smith & Wesson MP 2.0 is a semi-automatic pistol known for its robustness and functionality. Available in various calibers, including the popular 9mm, it boasts a generous mag capacity, with a variable length barrel ranging from 4.25 to 5 inches depending on the model. The MPM 2.0 offers options to suit shooter preferences. Its striker firing system provides consistent and precise shots, while safety features like integrated safeties and trigger safety ensure secure handling. The textured grip and ambidextrous capability contribute to a comfortable and controlled hold. This pistol also features a sturdy polymer frame and the ability to mount accessories on the Picatinny rail, enhancing its versatility. An excellent choice for beginners due to its intuitive design and shooter-friendly features. With a striker firing system, it delivers consistent and predictable shots, making firearm handling familiar for newcomers. The textured grip and ambidextrous controls allow for a comfortable and accessible hold. suitable for different hand types. Additionally, built-in safety features such as an integrated safety and trigger safety provide an extra layer of protection during handling and storage. The ability to adjust the polymer frame contributes to a positive and lasting shooting experience. Overall, the Smith & Wesson MPM 2.0 strikes a balance of accessibility, safety, and performance, making it ideal for those entering the world of firearms. Number 4. Smith & Wesson MP Shield EZ. The Smith & Wesson MP Shield EZ is a semi-automatic pistol designed with specific features to ease handling and accessibility, available in calibers like 9mm. It features an easy load magazine with a capacity of 8 or 9 rounds, depending on the model. Its striker firing system and light recoil spring simplify slide operation, benefiting shooters with less hand strength. The textured grip and ambidextrous controls offer comfort and accessibility. It has a moderate length barrel and a weight suitable for concealed carry. Additionally, it incorporates safety features like the trigger safety and integrated safeties to ensure secure handling. Together, these specifications make the MP Shield EZ a versatile and user-friendly option, especially designed for beginners and those who prefer a simpler handling experience. Number 5. Heckler Koch VP9. The Heckler Koch VP9 stands out as an excellent choice for beginners due to its ergonomic design and features that promote adaptability and easy handling. Its adjustable grip and interchangeable side panels allow customization based on the shooter's hand size and preferences, ensuring a comfortable and controlled experience. Additionally, the striker firing system provides consistent and precise shots, making it user-friendly for those getting acquainted with pistols. The variable magazine capacity offers options to cater to different needs, and Heckler & Koch's manufacturing quality ensures durability and reliability. With safety features such as the trigger safety and visual tactile indicators, user safety is prioritized. In summary, the HK VP9 combines ergonomics, versatility, and safety, making it a solid and user-friendly option for beginners seeking a quality and easy-to-handle pistol. As we conclude this in-depth exploration of some of the most iconic firearms, we're eager to hear your thoughts. Which of these weapons left the most lasting impression on you? Share your opinions and suggestions for future content in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. If you've enjoyed this content, remember to subscribe to Guns N' Roses, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell to stay informed about all our upcoming releases. Thank you for joining us. We can't wait to welcome you back in our next video.